Daily, I solved about 30 questions daily.
Daily. And how
Yeah.
frequently you were appearing for grand test, GT's mock test?
To be honest, sir, because of less time, I didn't give any grand test.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Pritesh Singh, PrepLadder Surgery faculty, and with me is Dr. Sarthak Patel, who secured 213 marks in FMGE June 2022. Congratulations, Sarthak. Tell us something about
Thank
yourself.
you. Yeah, so hello everyone. I'm Sarthak Patel. I have graduated from the David Giuliani Medical University, which is in Tbilisi, Georgia. And I scored 213 marks in my first attempt in June FMG.
Okay, what was your preparation strategy? कब से तुमने exactly preparation start करना शुरू कर दिया था?
So I started preparation in April only because I finished my last semester in March and I came back to India in April, 4th of April. And after that, I started the full-fledged preparation for the FMG.
Okay.
And my preparation strategies for me personally, I started with just one subject at a time.
Okay.
So I take one subject, I finish that subject, I go through the MCQs, the previous MCQ, and then the another subject. Yeah, I started with the PSM because I have not any what we called any other
Any idea, any information?
any idea, yeah,
Yes.
about PSM. So I started with the PSM, and then the another subject like the orthopedic, the ophthalmo, the pedia, and day by day I finished the syllabus.
Okay. And what was the number of questions you used to solve daily?
Daily I solved about 30 questions daily.
Daily. And how frequently
Yeah.
you were appearing for grand test, GT's mock test?
To be honest, sir, because of less time, I didn't give any grand test. But yeah, I gave the mock test twice.
Okay.
One before the 1 month of the exam, and the another one just before the 3-4 days before the exam.
Okay. And what was your score in that mock test?
In the first one, to be honest, sir, it's only 157,
156.
and in the second one, the 236.
236. So you were very close, almost. You crossed 200 in
Yes.
mock test also, and you crossed 200 here also. Okay. So for how many hours you used to study on daily basis?
Daily basis, I used to study about 12 hours
About 12 hours.
daily.
Okay.
Last 2 months, yes, 12 hours.
And what was your preparation, I mean, revision strategy? Because when you completed the syllabus, then you started the revision, or you started revision from the very beginning?
So, sir, as I said, before starting any subject, I just go through previous year question, previous last 3 years question.
Okay.
And because of just 2 months, I just bookmarks the topics, most important topics, which I feel the examiners ask in this FMG from the previous last 3 years, and I just focus on those main topics only. And I also use the book of, which called the FMG Solution by the Deepak Marwa sir,
Okay.
which every student know. And that book helped me a lot, sir.
Okay. Apart from that book, which other books you referred? Only notes or some other
Uh,
books you studied?
no, sir. That book only, and I used to revise from my notes which I made in the med school.
Okay. And how useful was the rapid revision for you?
Yeah, it's very much so because only in last 2 months I just focus on the rapid revision only. I haven't done any main videos. Yeah, but in the last year of my med school, I did the main subject like the surgery, OBGY, and the internal medicine. So those subjects are not a big headache for me in the during this last 2 months. So I just focus on the basis subject like the biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacology, and on. And for all of that subject I use the rapid revision, and the rapid revision video are awesome, so it helped me a lot.
So what should be your advice for the students who couldn't clear the exam this time and the students who are preparing for December exam?
So just my advice is for them to just be focused and no, don't ruin your sleep schedule, and be stick with to the only schedule which you prepare, and do the subject which are high weighted subject. And I also leave the subjects like the radiology, anesthesia and all, but it doesn't affect my scores that much.
Okay. So congratulations, Sarthak, again, and good luck for your future exams.
Thank you very much, sir.